Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial, and today I'll show you how to edit the BD model or BD fashion type portrait photography. And let's see, the before one was like that and after one like that. So special thanks to Jony brother just because of the photography, and really I want to give him a big thanks. So the previous one was like that and I got this one like this. So what I have done here, at first I just applied a preset, or you can just plugins, that is the for skin retouch, and then the dodge and burn, and after that I used like that. So the preset I made it for you guys, and I'll give you that preset, and then extra light and the lens flare, and then the levels. So after that I just took it like that in the Nik Collection, that is for the Nik Collection Color Effects Pro 4, and in level, and I got the final result. So the before one was like that, and after one you are getting like that. So let's see how to do that. And if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first go to the file and open up, and here the image, I got it. Yeah, and this image is not properly cropped, that's why I'll crop it out. And here the crop tool, and press the enter button, and then just keep it in a middle. That means I'll keep the model in a middle of this, that means, and hit the tick button. Before that, let's analyze this one. I just use the 3 and 3, that is these 3 box and these 3 box for this model, and upper one I just for the left for the background, and hit the tick button. You can apply this one and it will make your photograph more amazing when you are cropping your image. So after that, press Ctrl J for the new backup layer or new copy of this layer, and then the filter and the photo toolbox skin finer, and I'll do the skin retouch for this model. And skin finer is a plugins for the skin retouch. If you want to learn more about this one, and if you want to get download link over there, please check out my video description. I'll give the another detailed tutorial of the skin finer. So here is 2 things, actually 3 things: skin detailing options and skin tone. The skin detailing for smoothing, how smooth will be, I'll make it 69 around and fine like that. And the hue and saturation, hue is like that which type of color of the face will be, so I'll make it like that. And the saturation I'll make it down a little bit, and brightness I'll increase the brightness, not too much, little bit. I'm just giving here +5, and contrast a little bit, and shadow, yeah, that's fine, and the highlight, yeah, that's good, and hit OK. So the result before applying the skin finer and after applying the skin finer, so that's fine. And then I'll apply another one, that is the dodge and burn. I'm pressing J and J, Ctrl J and Ctrl J. I made 2 layer for highlight and another one for the shadow. So this one I'm turning off this one. So dodge and burn, this one is shadow and highlighting things. So the highlight, at first for the highlight layer I'll just go to the blending mode and make it screen, and right press and blending options. From here I'll get a, that is the slider for the highlight options. So press the Alt button and hold it, and it will divide, and just adjust the light with the face and hit OK. And here is the mask option, mask it, and image, and apply image, and hit OK. So this one is done. And now the shadow layer, make it multiply the blending mode and blending options, right press, and here I'll find out the highlighted area, the shadow area actually. Press the Alt button and divide this one, and just adjust this, yeah, that's good, and hit OK. So make the mask options and go to the image and apply image, and in this case make it invert and hit OK. So now I'll select these 2 layers, make it group, and then I'll make it mask. After masking that, image, apply image, and uncheck the invert option and hit OK. So get the subtle change, the shadow and highlighting, that's fine. And then I'll make group by pressing Ctrl G and make it merge. after merging this, now I'll do the color correction. So how to do that? Here is the filter, that is the camera filter, and this one is by default for the Creative Cloud version, and those who are user of the CS version, I have plugins manually setup link, and I'll give you that download links in my video description. From here, all the same panel like a Lightroom, and here the small menu, that is the small for the preset menu, and go to the load settings option, and urban moody, this one I made it for you guys, and just import this one, and let's see the before one and after one. Yeah, before one was like that, and after one you are getting like that, and hit OK. So it's done, color correction done. And now I'll go to the light portion, and I'll add a extra light. So select to the new layer, take a new blank layer, and go to the color. I'll take a color from the dress, and I'll get this color like that. Okay, and then go to the brush tool, and first one brush, and make the brush size around 300 pixel, and here the settings, the opacity 100% and flow 100%, and the mode will be normal, and select once. You'll get a circle, and press Ctrl T for the transform and make it bigger. So I'll take this portion only, not all the portions, so that's fine, and hit OK, or hit the tick button, and make the blending mode to screen. That's fine. And then I'll add lens flare. How to do that? Take a new blank layer and reset the foreground and background color, and then press Alt or Delete. You'll get a black color. So after that, I'll go to the filter, render, and the lens flare, and from here I'll use the 500 and 300 millimeter, 50 and 300 millimeter lens flare. You can make it increase like that, so I'll increase a little bit, and hit OK. Change the blending mode to screen. So for the black color, here is the characteristic of the black color and the screen mode. So I'm giving the example like that. So I just draw a rectangle like that, that is the black color. If I make it screen in the blending mode, it will vanish. So this one is the characteristic, that's why I use the black color for the lens flare. I want to vanish the black color, but I want to keep the light only, that's why I just made it like that. So press Ctrl T, you can make it bigger, so I don't need to make too much light here, so I'm just make it bigger. That's good, and hit OK. That's fine. And now I'll make group up this layer and make it merge, and after merging that, go to the filter again, and Nik Collection and Color Effects Pro 4. This one is another plugins for the Photoshop, and here are lots of presets or like effects and filters. You can use it free of cost. So I'm using the cross processing, this one, and here are lots of methods. Which one is perfect for your photography, you have to find it out, and you have to define that. So I'll use this one, or this one is good, C04, and hit OK. So it will take time to load it up and give you the final output, and yeah, ultimately it will be amazing. And in this case, I'll make it a little bit opacity or feel like 60%. That's good. So before one was like that, and after one you're getting like that. So this one is the ultimate technique to make the fashion photography like this. So you can save it out, and you can just make it JPG format or whatever you can do. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. I hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you need to download the plugins and preset, please check out my video description. I just given all the download link over there. If you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. And until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.